I didn't realize there was a right way to do this. I guess it all depends on your taste. But apparently, when you're making a burger,
yes,
there is an order that things should be laid out inside the buns.
Is this like the SpongeBob episode?
Kind of like that.
Okay. All right.
But
I'm ready.
Not quite that extensive.
Oh.
Okay. This is how your burger, according to the experts, this is how to build the best burger.
The perfect burger. Okay. I'm listening.
Now you take the bottom bun.
Right. Makes sense.
Put that on the bottom. Okay.
Well, that would be it's the bottom bun.
Now on top of that, your first condiment of choice. This is going to be mustard, ketchup, mayo, whatever.
It could be barbecue sauce,
okay,
depending on the person's, but yes. Or wasabi in your case.
Then on top of the condiment, you put lettuce.
Okay.
Okay. On top of that, tomato.
All right, so this is stacking here. So we go bun, condiment, lettuce, veg,
tomato.
Okay.
Okay. Then the burger patty with melted cheese on top of the tomato.
Right.
Okay. Then on top of the burger, onions. Okay.
Oh, okay. If you're an onion person, not everybody is, but
the melted cheese will keep the burger and the onions in place. Then on top of the onions, you put your pickles. Okay. Pickles within the rings of the onions, because the onion is like a wall, so the pickles won't come sliding out.
Because it's kind of a circular shape.
So
they kind of fit in there. Right. So like a donut hole if you will, with an onion. Okay.
Then on top of the pickles and onions, you put your second condiment of choice. Whichever one you want to put on there now.
Could be more of the same.
Could be more ketchup, more mustard, more mayonnaise, whatever. You put that on top.
Right. If you have mayo on the bottom, maybe you want a little ketchup mustard on the top.
And then the top bun. So veggies in the bottom.
Right.
Burger. And then onions, pickles, condiment on top of the burger, and then together, boom, there you go.
Patty, patty, bun, bun, patty, patty, bun, bun. Isn't that what SpongeBob did?
With the pickles that are still missing,
yes,
because they were behind his tongue.
Bubble bass.
That's where that's how to do it. Get more info on the best burger building right now. Yes,
say that fast.
Best burger builder, whatever. More info now. Yes FM Facebook, Twitter at 967 Yes FM, and the Mercy Morning page at yesfm.com.